My name is Amit Bhalla. I am the Managing Director of Bajaj Indef, and welcome to Forming Now. Bajaj Indef is known as a large hoist manufacturer for last 6 decades. But here in IMTEX, we are showing EOT cranes. And our capability in EOT cranes ranges from right from 1 ton up to 80 tons of products, be it single girder, double girder, be it jib cranes, gantry cranes. In any industry in India or in, abroad, we are able to supply, design, and customize a winning collaboration solution for you. Bajaj Indef, in addition to hoist and cranes, also has range of products which are called scissor lifts, which are also called boom lifts. So these are the products which are typically used, let's say, in airports or ports or any factory where you want to work above 6 meter height. So on the background, you can see those two products are displayed in IMTEX Bangalore today. And any need that you have, we can discuss. Bajaj Indef acquired this company Deadless in the month of August, and this is part of now Bajaj Group Indef opportunity. So the quality, the availability, and the best product is available to the same customers across. We were serving only hoist and cranes. Now we can also serve with Deadless range of products.